Okay, so now we're going to walk through how easy this telemedicine process really is. So I'm going to act like the patient. Dr. Kristen will be the doctor performing the visit. And so the first couple of steps are pretty easy. You'll call the office 10 minutes before your appointment. Our office will then email you or text you the link to go to. And you can do this via your smartphone or laptop or desktop. You're going to be sure your microphones and speakers work. So smartphone is probably the easiest to do. And you can even just give it to you over the phone and you can write down the link. It's very simple. Once you receive the link, you then click on it. It will take you directly to the virtual waiting room. We will see then that you're waiting, and then the provider will click on that and that'll open the visit. So now we'll show you exactly what that looks like.
Hey everyone, Dr. Kristen here, and I am going to walk you through how this telemedicine visit is going to work and what it looks like from our end and then what it would look like from your end. Here I am, I'm in an exam room like a normal exam room that you would come and see, and you would just be sitting right across from me. In this case, we'll be able to see Dr. Josh on the computer when he signs in. But we're in the privacy of an exam room, so everything is just as it normally would be if you were here having a visit with me in person. So this is my screen, and what we see here is, here's my camera and here's my picture, and that's what you'll be able to see from your end. And then we have Dr. Josh waiting right here in the call, so I'm going to click it. That's when video will start in a second. And then I'll be able to see Dr. Josh, and I can hear him. How are you?
I'm good. You still look good.
Thanks. And so that is how we will carry on this visit. You will see me, and I can see you, and I can hear you. And so that's kind of the virtual visit and what it's going to look like from our end here in clinic. And then we're also going to show you what it's going to look like from your end. So we'll go to see Dr. Josh's screen and what his process was like signing in and getting into the visit.
All right, so I'm sitting here in my office, and for you, that would be in your house. And I'm awaiting the link from Dr. Kristen Roller or our office to let you know, hey, it's time for your virtual visit. So, okay, I just got the link. So now I'm going to click on it, and it's going to take me to the website. It just did. So it's asking me to please check in below to let Dr. Roller know I'm here. So it says enter your name. So I'm going to enter in Josh Roller, check in. It then says to use the camera, enable camera. I just click that and hit allow. And now I'm just waiting for it to go through. And then it takes me to a new screen. It says Dr. Roller is available and my call will start soon. And it gives you some tips on how to make this better. It's now telling me the video will start in a second. And there's my doctor. How's it going?
Great. How are you?
I'm good.
Was that simple?
That was very simple. Really quick, easy. Should cut down a lot on waiting times and things of that nature. So very simple process. We think this is going to be in the best interest, again, of our patients and our staff and our community, while at the same time still being able to serve our patients and do what we've always done.